Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use your Skip the Dishes gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. But first of all, please do subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. So moving on, open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.skipthedishes.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Skip the Dishes, where all you need to do is get logged in. Once you are logged in, you need to type in your address and tap on Find Favorites in your area. After doing this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on a section or tap on a restaurant where you want to order from and tap on a dish that you want to order. So once you have tapped on a dish, simply tap on Add to Cart, and once you have added on Add to Cart, hit the checkout button. So after doing this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on Add Vouchers. So in the Add Voucher section, you need to type in the gift card number which you have, and once you have typed in your gift card number, you have to tap on Add Redeem. Once you have tapped on Redeem, you will be able to redeem your gift card, or you will be able to use your gift card on Skip. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to watch many interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching.